Good morning, Ms. Mirale. I am Alexander Alvarez and I am going to report about the women's issue and development. So, what is women's issue and development? Women's issue and development focus on addressing the barriers of women faces in achieving equality and empowerment. These challenges often stem from societal norms, cultural practices, and systemic discrimination that limits women opportunities and choices. Efforts to address these issues include promoting gender equality, improving access to education and healthcare, enhancing women's economic opportunities, and ensuring that their participation in decision-making process. So, lesson objectives. At the end of this module, students are expected to understand fully the principle, model, and concept of with, WAD, and GAD. Distinguish the three with, WAD, and GAD from each other. Determine the importance of these three principles to national development. Definition of terms. Development, the process in which something grows or changes and becomes more advanced. Women in development, or WID, approach the development projects that emerged in the 1960s, calling for treatment of women's issues in development projects. Women and development, or WAD, approach comes from the perspective that equality will be essential to improving women's position, but still frames change in terms of providing women's access to productive sector. Gender and development was developed in the 1980s, step away from both WID and WAD, and was founded in socialist feminist ideology. The GAD approach holds that the operation of women stems largely from a neoliberal focus on improving women's reproductive and productive capacities. It is not a secret that women before were viewed as less important in many areas of society, including development, economics, politics, and etc. This is the reason why WID, WAD, and GAD existed, to address the lack of attention given to women in traditional development, each offering a progressively deeper understanding of gender issue and the need of systemic change. Women in development. So this is the example of women in development. Origin, core belief, focus, key goals, approach, criticism, and example of cases. So, origin. Women in development emerged in the 1970s, inspired by Esther Bosrak work to address the exclusion of women from development programs and promote gender equality by integrating women into economic and social initiatives. Core belief. The exclusion of women from development is a primary reason for persistent inequality. Women should be integrated into development programs to improve both their status and the overall success of economic and social progress. Third, focus. The focus of women in development is on increasing women's participation in development by addressing barriers such as unequal access to education, employment, and resources, ensuring they benefit from economic and societal initiative. Next, goal. So, goals of women in development. Goals: improve women's participation in the economy, increasing women's access to jobs, training, and financial resources to enable them to participate more actively in economic activities. Include women in development policies and projects. This means including gender-sensitive measures in the policy planning and execution, as well actively involving women in decision-making process related to development projects. Next, approach. Women in Development works within existing development systems aiming to integrate women by advocating for targeted programs, policies, and resources to address immediate inequalities without challenging the broader systemic structures. Next is criticism. Women in Development has been criticized for focusing on integrating women into existing development frameworks without addressing deeper systemic inequalities or power imbalance.